Today I'm working on this Toro Sidewinder. It's a 3500D. The mower acted like it was just starving for fuel. So what I did is I went and got another fuel filter for it. And you can get these at Napa. There's a directional arrow on it. Make sure you put the filter on the right way. What I did here is I clamped the fuel line so I wouldn't lose fuel. I just used a pair of needle nose vice grips for that. And all we need to do is stick this fuel filter right here and here and see how she runs. Okay, as you can see, I got my fuel filter back in place. And this thing should purr like a kitten now, just by that simple little fix. Always remember, when they're starving for fuel, check the fuel filter first. It's a $5 fix. Now you can hear the little fuel pump right here pumping fuel. That's good. So, you know, that ain't the problem already. I think this is a primer on this. Sometimes you got to prime these diesel engines. Now the fuel pump shut off, and we'll try to give it a little start. Oh, it started to fire over. Let that fuel pump run a few more minutes. Like I said, I think this is primer. Fuel pump already shut off. That's good. Takes a little bit to prime them. We're going to smoke a little bit. There we go. Give it a little gas. Let it idle. Sounds like it's running pretty good. Only one thing left to do, take it out and actually try it. So that's what I'll finish up by doing, is taking it out on the course and actually running it around a little bit and trying it out. Make sure all your fittings are good and tight when you're doing this. It's just good policy. Anyway, simple fix on a Toro 3500D Sidewinder. Okay, now for the real test. Got the Sidewinder out. We're going to see how it runs when it's mowing. Turn on the blades. Go over here and mulch up some leaves. is 110% improvement. $5 fix. Just for those who might be wondering, I just went to Napa and got a Napa Gold fuel filter. Part number is 3012, and that will take care of your fuel filter problems on your Toro Sidewinder.